Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. Today I'm going to show you how to download Gemini application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your Play Store, but make sure that you are connected to an internet. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Gemini into the search box. Once you make your search, you'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. Gemini is a simple yet elegant and secure way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. It allows you to securely buy, sell and store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, Shiba and much more. Once you find the application, tap the install button in green in order to begin the downloading process. Wait until your application gets downloaded and you'll be able to open up the application right away. Once the application is installed, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap to launch the app open. That is how you can download Gemini application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.